If you have a Nothing phone with Android 15, Nothing OS 3, and you're wondering how is it that your phone just knows what you're looking for, your interests in terms of topics and items that you've been searching for online, here are three settings that you want to go in and disable so that once you're done searching what you're looking for in terms of products or anything that you're interested in, it will not show you as an ads later on in some other app. So to find this feature or features, let's get started. With the latest Android 15 update on your Nothing OS, use two fingers to do a full swipe and you will see the little settings toggle, which is where we're going next. Once in this section here, you're going to look for where it says Google. So go down until you see Google, this right here. And assuming you are signed into your Google account, so go ahead and tap on this one time. Once in this section here, you'll see Google Services, your email, which I pulled up a little bit so you won't see. From here, go to where it says All Services, this one right there. And in the All Services section here, you're going down to the part that will say Privacy and Security. You're going to see where it says Ads. And as you enter here, this is going to pop up and you want to look for where it says Add Privacy, this right here. And while you're here, whether you notice it or not, these are actually three different settings. So once you go to add topics, this is one of them. Topics of interest are based on the apps you've used recently and are used by apps to show you personalized ads. So basically, if you've been on one app searching for, let's just say watches, like recently I've been searching watches on the Temu and eBay app, and suddenly I'm starting to see suggestions of watches from Temu and even eBay show up on other apps, even on YouTube. So if you don't want this to track you down here, start by turning this off, okay? And then this is another one here, same again, same story here applies again with apps you use can determine what you like and then suggest ads on other apps. This is the main one here. So if you don't want this, turn this off. Then you got this last one here. Basically can request information from Android that helps them measure the performance of their ads. So if you don't want them to know how much you're into those items and products, you want to go ahead and turn off the ad measurement. And that's it. If you want them to keep track of you every way possible, come back and turn these on at any given time. You can also come out of here, and when you are in this section here, back out once and you'll see either reset or delete it, and you should be on the clear for a while. Just always come back and check on it as these things do return without you knowing. Like and sub.